Hi, I'm Chris from Philippines and welcome to my channel. Minasan konnichiwa! Hello everyone! I am back once again for another music reaction video, and today I am reacting first time to Mr. ISAO Sasaki. So he is a Japanese actor, voice actor, and singer, born on May 16, 1942, so he is now 79 years old, from Tokyo Prefecture, Japan. So I am reacting to his songs called Space Battleship Yamato and Galaxy Express 999. And guys, this is a medley video which is suggested by a viewer of mine. Thank you for your comment. This video is for you. But before I play the video, I would like to invite everyone to please visit my other channel. It's called Today with Chris. And also please do subscribe for more videos. I have the link in the description box. Thank you guys. So without further ado, let's play the video. Very nice. What a lovely voice, right guys? Whoa. The tune is really like a space battleship, right guys? I love it. Wow. Wow. Very nice voice, guys. This is my very first time listening to Mr. ISAO. And his voice is so awesome. He's like a space warrior, guys. And this song is used as a theme song in an anime series, right guys? I think these two songs, the first and the second song. Oh yes! I haven't seen this anime, guys, but I love watching anime when I was a kid. I love anime. Oh. Wow. He is a singer, a voice actor. Very nice voice, guys. Very big voice. Oh. Galaxy 999, Galaxy Express. He is the king of anime theme songs, right guys? I think he always sang the anime theme songs. very deep voice and big voice. Very nice theme songs of anime, guys. Even though I haven't seen the anime, I think it's a very nice series, right, guys? I think it's nice to see this anime, guys. I'm not really sure about the year it was aired. Later, I will give some information, guys. I love those emotions he's giving while singing. And he looks like he's having fun, enjoying singing these wonderful songs. Galaxy Express 999. I love the background. It's like a galaxy. It's dark and you can only see those tiny lights. Very nice. And the spotlight, of course. I love how he sways. Wow. Very nice.
Sasaki Isao.
Wonderful. Mr. ISAO Sasaki. Wow, this is my very first time listening to him, guys, to his songs. The first one is Space Battleship Yamato, and then the second one is the Galaxy Express 999. So here's a little information, guys. Space Battleship Yamato or宇宙戦艦 Yamato is a Japanese science fiction anime series produced and written by Yoshinobu Nishizaki, directed by manga artist Leiji Matsumoto, and produced by Academy Productions and animated by Group DAC. The series aired from October 6, 1974 to March 13, 1975, totaling up to 26 episodes. Wow, 1974, guys. And the other song is Galaxy Express 999 or Ginga Tetsudo Surinain. It's a Japanese manga series. It is written and illustrated by Leiji Matsumoto, later adapted into a number of anime films and television series. Wow. It was aired from January 24, 1977 up to November 6, 1981. Wow. So the first song, 1974, and this one is 1977. I think it's a wonderful anime series, right, guys? And Mr. Sasaki is like a king of anime theme songs. I think he always sings every anime theme song. Right, guys? During that time. And his voice is really so powerful. Big voice. Very big and deep voice. Right? And I love how he sings. He's enjoying so much. He's having fun. And I love his facial expressions. He's always smiling and swaying a bit. I love that. Well, anyway, Mr. ISAO Sasaki, you are so good on that stage. I love your voice. I love your performance. And I enjoyed it. Thank you so much. And guys, thank you also for watching with me. I'll see you in my next video.